What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bryan and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. Alright, we're gonna be teaching you the new choreography that I made to the song called What's Your Name by Usher. Alright, let's go to the studio and start. Start from the beginning. So from here, 1, 2, 3. This is 2 count. 4, 5, 6. You're gonna go 7. Drop on 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go on 7, drop on 8. For the last time, 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good. Next, from here, make sure you totally stop. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, go front. 5, 6. Sit on right 7, stand up, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Got it? Let's try first and second. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, you're gonna close on 1, 2, then 3, 4. Stay on 5, 6, turn down 7, and 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's try 1, 2, 3 from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make sure you stay here. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright? You have choice here. You can go down, fully go down, or just half. Alright? I understand some of you have knee problem. Like me. Alright, let's try one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 point, hip. 5, 6. Alright, very good. So we end up on turn 7, 8, right? Next, after this, 7, 8, close on 1. So show your figure. 1, walk on 2, down 3, down on 4. 4, open on 5, 6, up on 7, 8. Yeah, you can hold here. Yes, 7, 8. Alright? One more time. Super game. So here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes! Let's start from the beginning. Ready? Ready? Okay, 5, 6. We start from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah! Alright, from here next, you're gonna start. This lyric said, oh girl, what's up? I'm going crazy. So from here, nice voice, 6, 7, and you're gonna go 1, 2. To your left, 2, isolation hip, 3, 4. Then you're gonna go here. And don't use your hand, just 5, 6. Then head crazy. Just one turn, alright? You're not super crazy, just one. And that's. Let's try again. 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7, 8. And back to center. Alright? Good job. Alright, next from here, going crazy. Then you're gonna swing 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly on 5, 6, 7, and 8. As simple as that. One more time. I'm going crazy. Swing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Let's try from here. So 5, 6, 7, and boom. Oh girl, what's up? And I'm going crazy. Boom. Oh girl, what's up? And 1, 6, and 7, 8. Yeah. Alright, next from here, cha-cha. This is the simplest one. You just walk back 1 to the front, like come here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's go on. Walk to the front, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Hips on 5, 6, drop on 7, 8, then up. That's it. Good job. But let's try one more time from here. 6, 7, walk, and 1, go, what's up? And I'm going crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down, 7, 8, up. Yes. Good job. Now let's try from the beginning. Okay? Don't forget to smile and bite your lips. Like that. Sexy. Let's try. Including the intro. The intro is so easy. Just like 5, 6, 7, and 1, pause, 3, 4, 5, 6, down on 8, go 1, 2, 3, close, 5, 6, open, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hips, 2, 3, 4, and 5, hips, 7, 8, close, 1.3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, close, open, 10, hop, 5, 6, 7, 8, here we go, 2, 3, 4, close, 6, 7, 8, go, 7, 8, swing, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 7, 8, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. Yes, good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comments on my video. Alright, if you want to see more choreography tutorials, just click my playlist and go to dance tutorial, new dance choreography, sexy dance, contemporary. You can see a lot of things. And if you want to see some private videos of my routine every day, you can just click on my blog videos. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.